Hello, hello again. Look at them roots, baby. Those are some of the roots I yanked out of the ground today. See that one ripped right across here. Clean it up. I went underneath and I dug. Lots of digging, lots of cleaning done. Most of that stuff's pulled up. Just gotta sort it out there. This is about the only area left that I have to hit. As far as stuff still in the ground, but did a lot of digging. Deep roots. Got all cleaned up on the inside of that section over there. And I had a brilliant idea for my dragon fruit plant. I've got a big, long cedar branch or trunk or whatever it is. Maybe it's a trunk from a small cedar tree or it's a branch from a big one. And it's like a post with all sorts of little branches coming out of it. And I'm going to use that as the post for my dragon fruit. I'm going to bury it right there, have that baby come up here, build a cage on the top of it, and have my dragon fruit climbing up that nice cedar tree there. Got under the stairs here. Got all in behind here. You see all that weed is out from under there now. And lots of digging back there. Lots of digging, lots of roots. You can see there's still some more roots in there that I pulled out. Last one I ripped came right across, right under through here, right up here, right to the edge. I have no idea what those roots are from, but they're monsters. But anyway, you can see a lot of digging in the dirt today, baby. So there is the current state of Lucinda's garden at Judd's house, coming along, derooted, de-weeded, and designed for a new cedar post right there, which I think that's going to be awesome. So goodbye, happy day to you again.